if P1 and P2 are the lengths of the perpendicular from the origin upon the lines x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to a, and x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta respectively, then what is the relation between the P1 and P2? So it's given P1 is the length of the perpendicular from the origin upon the line x secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus a is equal to 0, and we know perpendicular distance from a point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The perpendicular distance is given by pm is equal to, so mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. So here we can write P1 is equal to origin 0 comma 0, so we can substitute here secant theta into 0 plus cosecant theta into 0 minus a upon root over secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, which is given by P1. That is, so P1 is equal to mod of minus a upon root over secant square, we can add 1 upon cos square theta, and cosecant square theta we can add 1 upon sin square theta. On simplifying, we can add mod of negative a upon root over sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta cos square theta. So we can also write it as mod of minus a into root over sin square theta cos square theta, so divided by root over sin square plus cos square is 1. So let us multiply and divide with 4 here, so that we can write mod of minus a into root of 4 sin square theta cos square theta, we can add 2 sin theta cos theta whole square upon root 4 is 2. So we can add minus mod a into root of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but mod of 2 sin theta cos theta. We know that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2a we can add. So mod of sin 2a divided by 2, or we can add mod of minus a sin 2a divided by 2, or we can also write this as 2 times of p1 is equal to minus mod of minus a sin 2a, or on squaring on both sides we can say 4 times p1 square is equal to a square sin square 2a. Say this in equation 1. And now let us consider p2. p2 is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta, or we can write minus a cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So by using the perpendicular distance formula we can write, so p2 is equal to from origin, so we can write cos theta into 0 minus sin theta into 0 minus a cos 2 theta, so mod upon root over cos square theta plus minus sine square theta, minus sine theta whole square. So which is equal to mod of minus a cos 2 theta upon root over cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta, which gives 1. So we can write here P2 is equal to mod of minus a cos 2 theta upon 1, or we can write squaring on both sides. P2 square is equal to a square cos square 2 theta. So this is an equation 2. So from 1 and 2, 4 times P1 square plus P2 square is equal to a square one second, let me correct, this is theta. Let me write this is theta here, sine 2 theta. This is theta, sine 2 theta. So 4 times P1 square plus P2 square is equal to a square sine square 2 theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. So by taking a square common, so we can write sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. So sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta is 1. So we can just conclude that 4 times P1 square plus P2 square is equal to a square. So which is our option? So option 1, option A is the answer. Okay.